Friends, if dinosaurs were alive today, then there would be no trace of a single human on this earth. 20 million years ago, they used to dominate this earth. But suddenly a giant astronaut fell on the earth and destroyed everything. In a moment, all the creatures were wiped out from this earth. Due to this reason, dinosaurs became extinct from our world. But let us tell you that at that time, not only the dinosaur species became extinct from this world. Rather, there were many other animals with them whose name and trace were wiped out from this earth. In today's video, we are going to talk about 10 such dangerous animals of the world which were present on this earth till a few years ago, but today they do not even exist. Sarcosuchus. Friends, the crocodiles that we see around us today are of normal length and width. But you will be surprised to know that even 100 million years ago, crocodiles used to exist in this world. But there was a huge difference between the crocodiles of that time and the crocodiles of today. The Sarcosuchus of that time was quite terrifying and gigantic. Their length used to be bigger than a large dinosaur, in front of which even the dinosaur looked like a goat. If the crocodile of that time is compared to a human, then 30 to 40 humans can easily enter inside that crocodile together. These terrifying animals became extinct several million years ago, but it is said that even today some remains of that animal are kept in the museum. By looking at which, an idea about that animal can be made. Megalodon shark. Friends, megalodon shark was one of the most gigantic and terrifying shark species. Megalodon means one with big teeth. This species of shark used to live on this earth 2 lakh years ago. After that they became extinct forever. When an archaeologist found the fossils of this animal, then it was known that these animals also used to live on this earth once. Talking about their size, these fish were so big that even today's big whales are nothing in comparison to them. Although many people have claimed to have seen the megalodon shark, and suggestions have also been given that it may still be alive today. But there is no scientific evidence to support these claims. Caspian tiger. Although the population of tigers is very low all over the world and it is believed that it may become extinct in the coming century. Let us tell you that once upon a time the population of Caspian tigers used to be very high. They were mostly found in the dense forests of Afghanistan, Turkey, and China. Once upon a time the spines of this tiger were very big and ferocious, which were known for their hunting. These tigers lived only in dense forests, because dense forests were more comfortable for their survival. A Caspian tiger used to weigh up to 120 kilograms. But unfortunately time passed and animals also became extinct, and the main reason for this is us humans. As human civilization grew, the forests became smaller and gradually these animals became homeless. After which these creatures became completely extinct about 17 years ago. Phobromes. This animal, which comes in the category of Phobromes mammals, became extinct 80 lakh years ago. If you look closely, these mammals look like a big rat, and you can guess by looking at it how big the rat found in the world before today would have been. Suppose if it was alive even today and had entered your house, then what would have happened next? The result is clear. A small rat causes a lot of havoc in today's world, so if Phobromes had entered a house, the destruction of that house would have been certain. In those days, the weight of this rat was up to 700 kilograms. Its size was about 4 feet. It is said that this rat never hunted and ate only fruits and vegetables in food. The most special thing about this rat was its pointed teeth. If it attacked anyone, his death would have been certain. Antilodon. This omnivorous creature, famous as Terminator Pig, used to live on this earth 20 million years ago. These creatures were mostly found in Mongolia, Russia, China, and European countries. These animals used to be very big and scary. You will be surprised to know that even a small child of this animal weighed up to 150 kilograms. So according to that, how big would a big animal be? A big antilodon weighed up to 1,000 kilograms. This animal would tear apart any creature with its teeth. The main food of this animal used to be fruits, small insects, and eggs of other animals. The skull of this animal used to be very powerful and strong. So strong that it could create a crack in a stone with its skull. However, till date the reason for their extinction from this world has not been known. Woolly rhinoceros. Friends, rhinoceros of the hippo species looks something like this in today's time, but the rhinoceros found millions of years ago had bodies and faces that were large. But their wings and tails were small. This animal was named woolly because the earlier rhinoceros had thick, long, and thick hair. And their thick fur protected their bodies even in extreme cold. Along with this animal had another specialty, and that was the spines on its snout, which was made of a layer of keratin, which was very strong. And due to these pointed spines, they protected themselves from other animals. These creatures were mostly carnivores who mostly ate soft plants. These extinct animals were found in Europe before today. The size of a normal woolly rhinoceros was 10 to 12 feet and their weight was 1,800 to 2,700 kilograms. Titanoboa. A reptile species named Titanoboa was found in Colombia 60 million years ago. It is now completely extinct. The length of this snake was so large that it could swallow 5 people at once. A fully grown Titanoboa snake was 4 times larger than an anaconda snake. Its weight was around 1135 kilograms. Even the strongest people would shiver on seeing such a terrifying size because the length of this snake was up to 45 feet. These snakes were found in hot areas, and it is believed that the reptiles found in hot areas are bigger, more dangerous, and more terrifying than the reptiles of cold areas. This snake did not have poison. Rather, it would kill its prey by holding it in its claws. After that it would swallow it. These snakes lived more in water than on land. No scientist has been able to find out the reason for the extinction of this animal, but it is said that there could be 2 main reasons behind it. One is climate change and the other is the changes in their habitat due to it. These could be the reason for their extinction. Dunkleosteus. Strong as iron, its size was up to 8 meters. Such fishes were present on this earth. They were originally found in the seas of North America, Europe, and Morocco. These terrifying and huge fish used to swallow the creatures coming in their way like grains. The main reason for this was their huge bodies and strong sword-like teeth. It is said that the armor of this fish used to be as strong as a fighting tank, in front of which even dangerous fish like sharks used to become weak. The most dangerous weapon of this fish was its strong jaw. But suddenly it slowly started becoming extinct from the sea. It completely vanished 300 million years ago. Some archaeologists found its fossils, after which all information about this creature was known, and its fossils are still kept safe in the museum. Sea scorpion. There are many species of scorpions found in the world. They mostly live in desert areas. These scorpions are known for the poison in their tails, one bite of which can kill a human. But let us tell you that these scorpions are very old creatures on this earth. And scorpions before today were not like this. They have a different species that lived in the sea, which is also called lobster. These lobsters are very big in size. But if we talk about sea scorpion, then they were even bigger than lobsters. The size of scorpions living in the sea used to be from 6 feet to 10 feet. These sea scorpions became extinct 400 million years ago. These extinct creatures used to be the most poisonous sea creatures in the world. They were a type of sea predators. Firefly. Friends, everyone's childhood has grown up watching this firefly. Those who live in villages would know it better. Their green, yellow burning lights look very beautiful. But sadly, soon these fireflies are going to be extinct from this world because according to experts, their population is decreasing very rapidly. Before today, in the 90s, fireflies were seen everywhere. From villages to cities, these fireflies were seen in large numbers. But slowly they are getting extinct from the earth. The main reason for this is light pollution, contamination of the environment, use of chemical fertilizers in large quantities in the fields. There are some other things along with this. Firefly is a very lovely memory of our childhood. How many of you have seen such fireflies glowing in your life? Do tell us by commenting, and do not forget to like the video. Which of these animals' extinction did you find most sad? Do tell us in the comment box. And if you have come to the channel for the first time, then please subscribe to it. See you in the next video with a new and unique animal.